If you're getting this video, we've probably canceled our online lessons because of K-12 difficulties. So today I'm going to go through what we would have gone through in our online lesson, and you will learn how to do the assignment we're going to do after today's video. Normally in our online lessons, I would have put up this sheet that says be ready for class and what you need. So today you'll need colored pencils or colored pens. Normally we'd want to make sure that your microphone and speakers are working and that you participate digitally by raising your hand. However, because this is just a video, you don't need to worry about that. I do want to inform you that next time we are going to be using a spiral notebook called your science notebook, and you'll need a pencil every time. This spiral notebook, we will glue different items into your spiral notebook. You can take notes through your spiral notebook. There's a lot of things that we will use this for, so either grab a bunch of loose leaf paper and staple them together, or purchase a spiral notebook for this class. You will also use that spiral notebook if we come back to school this year. You'll want to have your science packet ready to go. Your science packet came in a big packet of pacing guides sandwiched in the middle on back to school night. If you can't find your science packet, or you have lost your science packet, which most of you did get at back to school night, you can go into course materials of your science class and you will see all of the worksheets that we're going to do this semester. You can print off the sheet that says student interest survey form for today. You'll want to have open your science class in K-12 if it's working. I know right now there's a lot of K-12 glitches, so you may have to do your assignment later in the week. Finally, we have 4 school rules: be safe, respectful, accountable, and engaged. Today you're going to be able to show me that you're accountable by doing your assignment at the end of this lesson. This lesson will only take about 5 or 6 minutes long. Once we're done with this lesson, the rest of the time will be meant for you to work on your assignment and create your video. Today we have 3 learning goals. You can identify how to be successful in class, understand where to go to navigate in class, and submit a video assignment to K-12. So let's talk about how to be successful in science class in 3 simple steps. Step 1. You want to read through each slide very carefully. Do all of the review questions and interactives. This helps your information go from short-term memory to long-term memory. A box will appear if you haven't read what you need to. Make sure that you go through and go back to each box if you need to. There are also optional labs that are fun throughout the course, but you need to do your assigned coursework first. Normally we would do these labs in class. You should have gotten a box from K-12 that has a bunch of supplies. These supplies, plus others that you must purchase, are what you can do the optional labs with. Unfortunately, because some of the materials are expensive or hard to get, I've made all of the labs optional for your convenience. 2, you want to take notes. You can take digital notes on Microsoft Word or OneNote, or you can handwrite your notes in a spiral notebook. Just know that you need to keep those close because they'll be graded for every unit. You'll also want them to study. When you're writing your notes, be thorough, but don't write everything down. Use abbreviations and paraphrasing, or even bullet points to get your point across. We will teach you how to do 2-column notes. In fact, today it's scheduled in social studies in the afternoon to be learning 2-column notes. If you're not in social studies, you can email me to get that video. If classes are canceled for onlines, then I will send you out a video about the 2-column notes. For now, you can take any type of notes, but once I teach you how to do Cornell notes, that will be the expectation. After you write your notes, you need to take time to study. You should study a little each day rather than cram it in all before the test. I would suggest you study about 20 minutes after you take the notes, because that has been shown in research to make your short-term memory go to your long-term memory. Also, notes should not be used on quizzes or tests. So that is an overview of 3 ways of how you can be successful in science class. Our second learning goal was to understand where to navigate the class. I've put a video in K-12 in the announcement section of physical science that outlines exactly how to do the class. It's called Beginning the Course. Please make sure you've watched that video. Finally, our third learning goal is I can submit a video assignment to K-12. Let's learn about this assignment. This assignment is called the Student Interest Survey. It's found either in course materials under physical science, or it's found in your packet that was given to you in back to school night. You're going to fill this out with either colored pens or colored pencils, or just a regular pencil, and then you're going to use it as a script for a video. This video is going to be an introduction of you to me through the K-12 system. The reason I'm having you do a video is so that I can get to know your face and your name. That way when we come back to school, I'll know it. I'm also getting to know a little bit of information that I probably would have gotten to know the first couple of weeks of class, but since we're virtual, I have not been able to meet you yet. So, you're going to fill out this worksheet, the Student Interest Survey, and then we are going to submit a video to K-12. To submit a video of your interest survey, there are several different options for you. First, you're going to go to your science class, to physical science. Next, you click on content and you click on the online lessons. Click the video interest survey. Instead of uploading a document, you're going to click the record a video button instead. So again, today we are working on this worksheet for the rest of the time that's allotted for our online lesson. This should take you about 5 to 10 minutes to turn in. And then secondly, you're going to go into your K-12 class, go to Content, Online Lessons, Video Interest Survey, and instead of clicking Upload, you're going to click Record a Video instead. And you're going to essentially say everything that's on that worksheet into the camera for the video. I will be the only one that's watching this video, so you don't need to worry about being embarrassed or anything like that. All right, that's the end of our online lesson today. If you have any questions, you can email me at molly.felton@ops.org.